Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. Me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headlines them. The Jamaica Agriculture Society JAS said them a beg the farmer them for save up some water like a old drought gwan in the country. Police put one curfew in some part of Tivoli Gardens and some part of Denantown were in a Kingston Western Police Division. Fire burned down one house and killed one mother and her daughter in a runaway base St. Anne. Now for the full tour of them. The Jamaica Agriculture Society JAS said them a beg the farmer them for save up some water like a old drought gwan in the country. According to Lenward Fulton, who the president for the JAS, him asked Senator Samuda, who was the minister with responsibility for water, for help them out and get some truck for carry water to the farmer them. Him said the drought start bother the farmer them already. Police put one curfew in some part of Tivoli Gardens and some part of Denantown were in the Kingston Western Police Division. This come after gunman kill one woman Friday night. The police do this under the Zone of Special Operations. The curfew did start 6 p.m. Saturday and it go done 6 p.m. Tuesday. When the curfew are gone, people have to turn in them yard unless the ground commander tell them so them can left. Fire burned down one house and kill one mother and her daughter in a runaway base St. Anne. According to reports, around 10 o'clock, people see fire come from one 2-story house. People call the fire brigade and when them come, them find the body for 26 years old Shelley Ann Hamilton and her 7 years old daughter. The police are trying to find out what started the fire. Some detective from the Denhamtown Criminal Investigation Branch CIB are looking at how one man dead after them find him dead body on Port Royal Street on Saturday, February 11. The man dark and slim and about 5 feet 10 inches long. Him have one Rasta hairstyle. The body did have on one grey woody sweater will have Baltimore Ravens right on the front and him did have on one white pants and black sneakers. According to the police report, around 1:30 p.m., one police did up on patrol when somebody called them about one Toyota Probox car. When them go, them see the body stab up in the trunk. Them carry the body, got dead house. The Denantown CIB asks anybody who know nothing about the killing for call them on 876-948-6443, 119 or Crime Stop on 311. The police put out an another alert for 14-year-old Ashley Lawson, who come from Walcon Drive in a Gregory Park, St. Catherine. She missing from Friday, February 10. She dark and fat and about 5 foot 3 inch long. According to reports, Ashley left her yard for school around 6:50 in the morning. She did have on one purple uniform, grey blouse and black shoes. Nobody no see or hear from her after that. The Caymanas police asked anybody who know which part Ashley lost today for call them on 876-988-1717, 119 or the nearest police station. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.